Hi, I am Chester from Game Developers Academy. Today I will show you Tilemaps. It is a very special type of grid which help us create a level design. Tilemaps work with top-down view, 2D platformer and hex map. You can see level design in background. We can use few techniques which can help us create more attractive level design. New tilemap is very easy to create. You need to right-click on the hierarchy. In 2D submenu we have our tilemap. If we have map created via 2D toolkit script, you have one. Just look at the hierarchy. You can duplicate it by clicking right mouse button and choosing duplicate or clicking Ctrl D. When you have few tile maps, you need to set up right layer orders in renderer. Higher number mean more on the top, more visible. Now we can add or remove tilemap colliders, changing materials into brighter or darker. Tile palette window you can open from window menu on the top of the Unity. At this menu we have few options. The most important is pencil. Pencil fill just one quad at the moment. Rectangle fill bigger areas. Ink can fill the gaps. At this moment you should care, because often people fill the sky and they have strong freeze of Unity. It is normal, just wait. After all, you should click Ctrl Z and it will fast back to previous state. At the end we have color picker and eraser. Tile maps are optimized and fast to render, so you can use it even on mobile devices. If you want to switch active tile map, you should change in tile palette active tile map, not tile map in hierarchy. Also there is menu in which you can add your own tile map or change. In most cases we want to use few layers, but we should have as less as possible layers with collisions. Simple trick with hiding walls or trees. You can create tile map without collision, create box collider with interact on triggered 2D and switch on and off the layer. In the next video I will talk more about moving platforms, switches, teleports, dialogues and keys. I'm also interested what do you think about material, times or topics. If you like this movie, click subscribe button and have a great weekend. See you in the next video.